Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. We have been asked to find the midpoint of this given arc. So before we begin, we will first start by drawing two chords. They must not be parallel, but they can intersect. So let's see. I'm going to draw a first one here. At any position, but then they must touch. Then let me draw another one there. So I have two chords. So I'm going to name them A, B, and C. Next, I'll bisect line AB and line BC. So I'll start at A, open to 1.5, and inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. B, inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Now draw a line through. Next, I'll bisect line BC. So I'll start at C, inscribe an arc. Sorry. Then B, inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. This for C. Then I'll draw a line through. Now where these two lines intersect, that gives us the midpoint of the circle. So let's step at the midpoint and open to any part of the circle, and let's complete it. And we have our circle now.